Good morning students, it is a lecture for class 7. Today we are going to learn about unit number 3. The topic of this unit is Eid al-Adha. In our previous lecture we have done the translation and reading of this unit, and last passage of this unit is here with its translation and the meaning of difficult words. Millions of goats, बहुत सी सैकड़ों की तादाद में बकरे, शिप, भेड़ें, लैम, दुम्बे, काउज, गाय एंड कैमल्स और ऊँट सेक्रीफाइस्ड को कुर्बान किया जाता है आफ्टर द ईद नमाज, ईद की नमाज के बाद, फॉर द सेक ऑफ अल्लाह अलमाइटी, अल्लाह ताला की रज़ा के लिए। 7 पीपल, 7 लोग, कैन जॉइंटली, इकट्ठे मिलकर, सेक्रीफाइस कुर्बानी दे सकते हैं, अकाउ एक गाय की। दोज हु अरेंज्ड, वो लोग जो बंदोबस्त करते हैं, एन एनिमल एक जानवर का, फॉर सेक्रीफाइस कुर्बानी के लिए, सर्च फॉर अ बुचर कसाई की तलाश के लिए निकल पड़ते हैं। द मीट इज़ डिवाइडेड, गोश्त को तकसीम किया जाता है, इंटू 3 इक्वल पार्ट्स, 3 एक जैसे हिस्सों में। 1 फॉर होम, एक घर के लिए होता है, 1 फॉर नीडी पर्सन, एक ज़रूरतमंदों के लिए, एंड 1 फॉर रिलेटिव्स और एक रिश्तेदारों के लिए, एंड नेबर्स और हमसायों के लिए। लेटर ऑन, बाद में, द मीट डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड, गोश्त को तकसीम किया जाता है, अमंग द नेबर्स, हमसायों में, एंड नीडी पीपल और ज़रूरतमंद लोगों में। पीपल गो टू मीट देयर रिलेटिव्स, लोग जाते हैं मिलने के लिए रिश्तेदारों को, एंड गिव देम दी मीट, और उनको गोश्त देते हैं, ऑफ देयर सेक्रीफाइस एनिमल, अपने कुर्बान किए हुए जानवरों का। Okay student, it is the last passage of this unit. You will translate this passage as a homework on your notebook and also prepare your page according to the rules that mention date and day. Write the name of the topic, draw margin line, and do your work in a neat handwriting. And English B work is also here, which is about essay Boy Scout. Today we will do half essay. Boy Scouts is an organization founded by Lord Baden-Powell in 1910. The movement spread all over the world very soon because of its objectives. The main object of this movement is to build the character of the youth. It makes them active, helpful, resourceful, and trustworthy. All the scouts promise to carry out the scout law. He does his duty to God, to his country, to the people. A scout is to be useful for others. He is clean in thoughts, words, and deeds. Some pair of words are also here. Quiet. Can't you keep quiet? Quiet. Your answer is quiet. Respectable. Nayab belongs to a respectable family. Respectful. Ahmad is respectful towards his elders. Rain. The horseman pulled the reins of the horse. Rain. It has been raining since morning. Robbed. The robbers threatened the woman and robbed her of her money. Stolen. Sajida's jewelry was stolen by the thief. Role. His name was at the top in the roll. Role. His role in the play was quite difficult. Okay student, these are 5 pair of words. You will also do this work as a homework on your notebook, and mention date and day, draw margin line, and write topic of the name on the top of the page, and do your work in a neat handwriting. Thank you.